Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting both devices network ready. Make sure your Mac and the Airplay receiver are on the same Wi-Fi. This avoids connection delays and packet loss. Next, open Control Center or check the menu bar for screen mirroring. That's where the session starts. If the target device needs Airplay receiver enabled, toggle it now so the Mac can see it. Once done, select the device name. You're initiating a secure, local stream rather than sending through the internet. Now decide how you want content presented. From screen mirroring, choose Mirror built-in Retina display to duplicate or use as separate display to extend your desktop. That matters for multitasking. Then pick the audio output in sound settings so movie sound or system alerts play where intended. Make sure to tweak resolution and scaling in displays if text looks blurry. Airplay can change pixel mapping. Once adjusted, apps will behave like on a local screen and audio will follow your chosen route. To end a session, open Control Center and turn off screen mirroring or press ESC to stop immediately. If you see lag, stutter, or a black screen, make sure both devices have strong Wi-Fi signals. Move closer to the router and disable VPNs or bandwidth-heavy apps. If problems persist, restart the Mac and the Airplay receiver and check for updates. Firmware mismatches often cause compatibility issues. One key troubleshooting tip: rejoin the same network and then reconnect. That clears most handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.